Today we're diving into Google Password Manager. It's a free tool that promises to help you manage your passwords securely. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's find out if it's worth your time and trust. Google Password Manager is designed to help users store, manage, and autofill their passwords securely across devices. It integrates seamlessly with Google Chrome and Android, making it convenient for those already in the Google ecosystem. When you create a password on a site, Google can save it for you, and it even generates strong passwords to enhance your security. The user experience is relatively straightforward. You can access your safe passwords through your Google account settings or directly in Chrome. One standout feature is the security check, which alerts you if any of your passwords have been compromised. However, there are some areas that feel a bit unclear. For instance, the level of encryption and how data is stored isn't detailed enough for those who prioritize security. While it caters largely to casual users, those with more advanced needs might find it lacking in features compared to dedicated password managers. On the plus side, Google Password Manager is free and easy to use, especially for anyone already using Google services. The autofill feature works well, saving you time and effort when logging in. However, there are some notable downsides. The lack of transparency about security measures can be a concern for the more cautious user. Additionally, it doesn't offer features like secure sharing or extensive cross-platform support found in other password managers. If you're someone who needs robust features or has sensitive information, this might not be the best fit. Conversely, if you're looking for a simple no-cost solution and primarily use Google products, it could be a good choice. In conclusion, Google Password Manager is a solid option for casual users who want a free and straightforward way to manage passwords. However, if you're serious about security or require advanced features, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying, but approach it with a critical eye regarding your security needs.